exploring the emergent themes of self-directed learning models. Although every SDL model is unique, there are essential elements that are common among most. One element is metacognition. This is emphasized most in Winnie's model. Another is motivation. We saw this emphasized most in Zimmerman's model. And finally, emotion, which is emphasized most in Bocart's model. There are also cyclical phases to SDL processes. Although some theorists address it more directly than others, all SDL models are cyclical, following a general trend. In phase 1, called the preparatory phase, is where analyzing, planning, and goal setting occurs. In phase 2, the performance phase is where students actually participate in the task they have set out to accomplish and monitor their own work. And in phase 3, the appraisal phase is where much of the reflection and adapting for future performance occurs. Scholars agree, SDL cannot happen immediately, and there are necessary developmental phases leading up to this process. Zimmerman and Katsanis have created a developmental model that is used widely among SDL scholars to this day. In phase 1, observation, students observe models presented by the instructor in order to perceive and retain the patterns of behavior demonstrated by the teacher. In phase 2, emulation, students emulate what they have observed and reproduce the patterns of behavior observed under the direct tutelage of the teacher. In phase 3, self-control, the instructor pulls back and asks learners to attempt to produce the observed behavior under minimal guidance from the teacher. Finally, in phase 4, self-regulation, learners attempt to reproduce the observed behaviors independently. Under similar situations and conditions, and with teacher assistance only when it is absolutely necessary, the learner applies the newly acquired strategy, or strategies. There are many implementation challenges for self-directed learning. Click on the link below to begin exploring some of them.